The basic idea here is to use a couple of models to classify this document as an invoice and to extract the table from the same kind of document here. So what it is, we pass that one as an input and then let the classifier classify it as a document. So we'll just quickly run through this one, and we are using emphasis document classifier here. I actually created the model before, so I will be deploying it again, and now just to the depiction prediction. And now it correctly predicts that one as an invoice. And then now technically it's supposed to convert the PDF to the image, but we did not put all the logic here. So we'll directly feed the image, which is this one, to this algorithm which extract the table. So same here. I mean, there is a limitation on the model that it cannot accept more than 5 MB of payload. So we'd have to compress the image, like resize the image to a smaller image, so the algorithm can accept it and then do something processing. And using this table extraction model here by the same emphasis. Again, I've deployed it before, so I will be deploying it again. Then now, so we do some kind of truncating and then chunking of the image, so the algorithm can break it properly because of the limitations of the algorithm. The model does not crash with the huge payloads. We chunk them and send them. So that is what is happening here. It's actually sending part by part to the model and then extracting the table out of it. So only one of the images will have a table inside it. So presumably the one with the huge number is a table. So 38, 36, 757, this guy is a table normally. So now the processing is completed and that's saved into one of the images. And that's the table guy. And then now he passes to extract to extract the data. And then this is your extract code, which here it calls the S3 bucket, and that's where the document is uploaded once the processing is completed, and then it sends to the S3, and then does the parsing, and now we got the data. So technically, you'd have to put Levenstein and some kind of algorithm so it can actually fix these names before outputting it, before putting that as an output. But that's all like future work. And then we also plan on extracting addresses and other entities out of this invoice. So eventually the flow would be you first check if it's an invoice, then extract the entities like address and other stuff, and then extract the tables out of it, and eventually automating the complete invoice capturing. Yeah, that's pretty much what this one does. And then we are using emphasis document classifier and emphasis table extractor and then text type just to achieve it. This is just like a prototype, but we plan on extending it out. Yeah, that's pretty much. Thank you.